Hello guys, welcome back again to another mini vlog. So I'm going to be unboxing this huge package I ordered from Temu. So these are mainly things for the kids, so we are going to be unboxing it together. So let's start with this. These are set of combs for making hair. Okay, this is summer slippers for me. Look at it. This beautiful gown for Olivia for the summer. Oh, look at it. So these are organizers for traveling, for luggage. Look at it. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 sets to put your undies, your toiletries, your towels. Just depend on you. So I got this in pink and in light pink, matching outfit for Mona and Bobo. So sleepwear, summer sleepwear for me and Bella. So one is okay. Look at the other one, it's in pink and this is in purple. Stockings, set of indoor stockings. So it's another gown for Olivia for the summer. So I got this 3-piece. It's a top with a little bag and the knicker for Olivia. So these are press on nails I got for myself. Set of stockings, but this one is for during the school season. These are 40 pieces of stockings. It's a set, so with black, brown and white. So these are 40 pieces. Set of sauce. Bobo, look at it. I also got this for Mona, but I don't know, I think it's a little bit big for him now, but I'm going to keep it. Okay, skirt and top for Bella for the summer. Sandals for me and Bella. Matching outfit for Bobo and Mona. No, this sandals is for Mona. Stockings for Mona. You need this one for school. So this one is knicker and top, I think. Yeah, for Bella. Not for Bella, for Bobo. Knicker. Waist bag for Bella. This is our nightgown. It's matching. This one is for Olivia. Olivia and Bella have the same. This is the third one. Knicker and top for Bobo. So these are my wig net to wear inside my wig. So this bag is finished. Set of football stockings for Bobo. This football boot for playing ball. Football jersey, I think. Okay, I got it in different colors. These are his hand and hairband. Where is it? Okay. These other ones are also jersey. I just got his jersey in different colors. So that is it. Water bottle during football, but expand it a little. This is his water bottle. For his, okay, this is a little tripod. This is head and handband for football. Oh, this is another jersey. These are same outfit for Bobo and Mona. Top for Bobo again. Another knicker and top. Yeah, this is another top for Bobo. Bobo, this is another outfit for Bobo. And this is for Olivia. This is for Olivia. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, everyone.